When we think about writing a good program, we want to let the program guide the user about what's accessible. On the left-hand side here, we've considered a navigation bar, and we've given the user a couple options. When they mouse over here, they can choose Home, Systems Analysis, Trouble Tickets, Frameworks, and Create Data. We want the user to have a good experience when we have them interact with the components, so we really want to consider the use case for what we're doing. Right now, we're just going to work on Home, and we're going to go through the process of creating a user, problem, change, and a request. So let's say we have a new user. New user is their username is that, and new user at company.com, and username is also going to be new user. Now, one of the things we need to consider is the language we use here. The user's name wasn't necessarily clear for the user to understand that should be first name or last name. But the great thing is we're just collecting data, and as we put that data together, we can start to merge and edit and clean. And then we come here, we create a user. The best thing is we've got user created successfully, and we have an understanding of the user that we created. This is an example of validating that the input that the user submitted to the system was received in the fashion. So we're just showing them that information again. Create a problem, my new problem, and describe what's happening. Now what we've done here is we've made it easy, we've created a problem, and now we have error-driven programming. We see that problem is not defined. We'll get into this later, but it's a good thing to focus on raising errors in development so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. So we've created a problem for ourselves, and the rest of the program has stopped functioning. We can reload this page, and we can do the same thing. We can test create change, inputs, create change. Well, we've done the same thing, and change is still not defined. We're going to get this all the way down because we haven't worked out the rest of the logic in the program. Hope you found this useful. We'll see you again.